Hi, it is Saturday morning. We just picked up our groceries. We changed up our grocery trip a little bit today. Instead of going to our local Rayleigh's, we decided to go to our Winco grocery store, which is where we always used to shop. But that is about 30 minutes away from the house, and so our Rayleigh's is just around the corner. But the last few months, and anytime I've put in my Rayleigh's grocery order, there's always something that they are out of and have to substitute for something else. So we decided to go to our Winco and check it out and see if we could get everything on our grocery list. So that's what we did. So we ended up shopping for 2 weeks. I spent $315. I did get 2 packs of chicken breast, 2 pounds of ground turkey meat, and 2 pork tenderloins. My husband already put those away, so they're not out here. So let's see what I got. So we got our 60 eggs. My Rayleigh's does not have eggs in the big pack, and so this is what I do normally get. So I was happy to get a big 60 pack of those this week. Owen wanted some turkey bologna, so I picked him up that. I got 2 of the Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. This is our favorite bacon, and my Rayleigh's has not had that, so I went ahead and got 2 of them. I got Keegan a smaller pack of ham lunch meat, as he just really has not been eating that many sandwiches for lunch, so I just got a little pack. I got our turkey breasts that we like for our sandwiches and to put on our salad. I got our usual Sargento sliced cheddar cheese. Keegan and my husband like the pepper jack, and then I got Swiss for a recipe this week. I got the boys some turkey pepperoni so they could make their pizzas. I got some of the Gallo salami for snack boxes and to snack on, and Owen does like to put this on his sandwiches as well. Since we are shopping for 2 weeks, I went ahead and got 2 creamer. That one got a little dented. So we usually go through about 1 creamer a week. Yeah, we got a creamer problem, definitely. So I got a grape sunkissed and a strawberry. And I got 2 ginger ales for my husband. I'm going to put those in the cabinet. Keegan wanted juice. He didn't care what kind, so I got him a variety. I got him an apple juice, a white grape juice, and I got him a V8 Splash in the tropical blend and a fruit medley one. I got Owen loves these Propel waters. I got him a kiwi strawberry, a berry, a grape, and a peach. His favorite is the mandarin orange, but they did not have any of those. These were 88 cents at my Winco, as opposed to like $1.89 at Rayleigh's. So I got some more. He has some in the cabinet, but 88 cents, can't pass those up. Their sparkling ice waters was 88 cents as well. So I got Keegan 2 of the crisp apple, 2 of the black raspberry, and 2 of the peach nectar. They don't have his favorite, the fruit punch one, but that's okay. He likes those flavors as well. I needed a package of sugar for some baking and some stick butter. I got 2 pie crusts. One is for chicken pot pie this week. And then on the first day of fall, I always make a pumpkin pie, but my grocery store was totally out of canned pumpkin, did not have any at all, so I'm going to have to find that somewhere else. I got a tub of strawberry cream cheese and a tub of plain whipped. I got some of these Jell-O Temptations. They're strawberry cheesecake. Owen really likes these. There's 4 in there. I got the boys a roll of cinnamon rolls so that they could make those this weekend. They were running low on their chocolate milk powder, so I got one of those. I got the boys some donuts. They were like right by the register on the aisle, so I grabbed them a couple. Owen really likes the crunch ones. They've both been in these already this morning. And some chocolate. I got some cottage cheese. I got some cottage cheese to eat with breakfast, and I like the Daisy brand. I like the Giovanni vanilla Greek yogurt, and I like to use these for smoothies. Our Rayleigh's does not have these Famous Dave's pickles. They actually have no spicy pickles really at all, and these are my husband's favorite. He wanted to buy a case of them, but he ended up just with one. And we like these croissants for our sandwiches. I got a heavy whipping cream for our potato, I think it's potato soup, I can't remember this week. I got some syrup to put in the cabinet. Boys like these little Jiffy muffins, so I got blueberry and I got 2 of them. And these little deep dish pizzas, there's 2 in there. I got Supreme for Keegan. And Owen just likes the cheese, but they did not have those, so I just got him pepperoni. I got Owen some goldfish. He was running low on those and really likes those. And I got some more nuggies. Keegan loves these things. Normally I get these at Costco, but I just don't want to go to Costco just yet. I'll make a trip for that later. I needed some more parsley. I got a couple packets of ranch seasoning and 2 packets of the taco mix. Normally I buy it the big bulk jar at Costco. I'll have to do that. I got a whole bunch of canned items. So I got some carrots. I got cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. Some corn and green beans. Owen's favorite ranch beans. I got a couple cans of refried beans. I got our 2 mixed vegetables for chicken pot pie. I got 2 cans of evaporated milk. 1 goes in the potato soup, and the other was for my pumpkin pie. I got green chilies for enchiladas and olives. And I got 4 cans of these little mandarin oranges. We like to put these on our salads. I got a couple of things of gravy because Keegan cannot eat mashed potatoes without gravy. I got a Classico creamy Alfredo sauce to have in the cabinet. The boys like that on tortellini. I got 2 boxes of chicken broth. I got 2 of these sour cream and chive mashed potato packets to have in the cabinet, quick and easy, and Owen loves them. I got 2 of the loaded baked potato, and then I got Owen some of these mini vanilla wafers. And the boys have been wanting Pringles. Normally they take these to school, and so I haven't bought these since like March. But they were craving some, so I got Keegan sour cream and onion and Owen original because he just likes plain. I got another tub of mayonnaise. I got a can of beef broth for Swedish meatballs that Keegan is going to make next week. I needed some more cornstarch, lemon juice, Dijon mustard for a recipe, and my husband likes to put it on his sandwiches. Needed A1 steak sauce. That was going to be for the Swedish meatballs as well. I got a box of brownie mix to make cream cheese brownies this week, and a box of Mexican style rice to go with our enchiladas. I've made a couple recipes for Mexican rice, but they have not turned out, so I have not found a very good recipe for that yet. I got a bunch of bananas. I got our meatballs Italian style. I like these Cooked Perfect brand ones. Those are for the Swedish meatballs. I got 2 of these pepper stir fry frozen bags. I like to keep these in the freezer for like quick fajitas. I got 2 of the California blend veggies. These are my husband's favorite. We have some out in the freezer, so I only got 2. I got 3 bags of our shredded lettuce this week. Since we are shopping for 2 weeks, I went ahead and got 3 of those. They had my 3-pound bag of salad, so I grabbed one of those because my Rayleigh's has not had that. I got 1 pack of tortillas. There's some 20 in there. We like to have those for tacos, or obviously tacos, they're tortillas, and breakfast burritos. And I got some cinnamon raisin bagels. Owen really likes those. I got our case of water. We have some in the fridge, but we like to just have some on hand. I got my husband 2 of these Lipton peach teas. Our Rayleigh's does not carry these anymore. Our Target does not carry these anymore. So our Winco is the only store that has them. And he's been wanting his peach tea for, well, we haven't been to Winco in like 6 months. So he's been wanting his peach tea. So we got 2 of those. And then we got 2 of the packages of the strawberry watermelon Gatorade, which is Owen and my husband's absolute favorite. So that is my grocery haul for the next 2 weeks. We will stop at the fruit stand and pick up our normal produce, and then we will stop at our regular grocery store and pick up our 2 gallons of milk. Other than that, that's everything for next 2 weeks. We went to the produce stands today and got our fresh fruit and veggies. So here we got our strawberries. They're looking pretty good this week. We got them from the other produce stand today. I do like the way they package them much better. They put a little plastic wrap on each one of them, which keeps out the bugs and stuff, so they look pretty good today. I got a few different bell peppers and some red grapes. I got some gala apples. Keegan was wanting more of those, and a cantaloupe. I got some more of these sweet mini peppers for snack boxes. I got some English cucumbers. Those are the ones we really like. And this time I got 2 of the dried strawberries. We've been eating these like crazy. They are so good. I got a couple little mini pumpkins to put on the table. I did get another Reese's peanut butter fudge. We got one of these last week and it was so good, so we've got another one. I also got a pumpkin pie fudge, so we'll give that one a try. And from the other produce stand, I got some of the red potatoes, a couple little boxes of their blackberries. They did not have any blueberries this time. I got a bag of their zucchini, and there's a couple little ones in there. I got some of the baby tomatoes. They're pretty dirty today. I'll have to give those a good soak. Got some more of their white nectarines, my favorites, and a bag of tomatoes. These are pretty tiny in there, but that's okay, we will eat them. So we did make a stop at Target yesterday. We needed to get another dog bed for our puppy dog. So we ended up getting a couple bags of cuties. So we got 2 of them. That one's already been opened. And I wanted to check and see if they had canned pumpkin, which they did not. They're completely out of. But I did get a couple, I got 4 little bottles of the hand sanitizer for bags and purses. So this morning I stopped at our other grocery store, Save Mart, to see if they had canned pumpkin, and they did. They had actually had 5 cans, so they had 2 big ones, and then they had 2 small ones. So I got 4 of them. The other can was all dented, so I didn't get that. But I got pumpkin for the cabinet and for later, just in case there's no pumpkin. And then 1 for our pumpkin pie for Tuesday. And here is the puppy's new bed. He seems to like it. He's been laying in it. The top is really soft and he likes that. Right now he is laying in the office with his daddy. He likes to lay on the floor when he's hot. Are you hot? So that is my grocery haul for the next 2 weeks. We will stop back at the produce stand next weekend and get more fresh fruit and probably some more milk from the grocery store. But if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And please consider subscribing for more grocery hauls and what's for dinner videos.